Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can get secondary colors in Geometry Dash. So basically there's a lot of secondary colors on Geometry Dash that is basically unlocked, and we have to do specific tasks to unlock them. Now I have list all the tasks that we need to do on Geometry Dash. Basically for the first one, it's going to be the secondary color 9. We then have to complete the bonus gauntlet. So you just have to complete this specific task in order to unlock the secondary colors. In here we have color 21, color 38, 40, 48, 52, 70, 83, and lastly 98. Now on other tasks right here, for example, we have the color 98. It's as simple as joining the official Geometry Dash Discord server, and it requires the update 2.2. Now for color 83, we have to purchase in the secret shop for 1000 mana orbs or something like that. So once again, just complete this task and you will be able to get your secondary colors in Geometry Dash. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.